how to enable Secure Boot on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the BIOS on your Windows 11 computer and enable Secure Boot. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is put our Windows 11 computer in recovery mode so that then we can open up the BIOS. And to do that, go down, select the Windows Start button, and then once that menu opens up, select the power icon on the bottom. Before we do anything else, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then select Restart. Now, continue to hold the Shift key on your computer until it reboots and the screen is blue. This may take 20 or 30 seconds. All right, once you see the screen turn blue, you can let go of the Shift key, and we're now in recovery mode. So from here, to get into the BIOS where we can enable Secure Boot, go down, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then go to UEFI Firmware Settings. Once in here, select Restart. It's going to reboot our computer again, and this time we'll be in the BIOS. All right, so now we're in the BIOS, and yours is most likely going to look different than mine. But what we're going to do is look for some menu items, anything that says maybe boot or security, things like that. For mine, it says more settings right here. So I'm going to open that up. And this is where I can see some menus on the left side. And what I'm looking for is going to be, for me, security. But you may want to try like boot, something like that. So go through them. And what you're looking for is secure boot, which you can see right here. So I'm just going to scroll through. If your mouse does not work, use the arrows on your keyboard to go through the menu items. But right here, I have Secure Boot, and I can see to the right of it, it says Disabled. So go ahead and select the drop-down, and then select Enabled. And now that we've selected Enabled for Secure Boot, we need to make sure we save or save and exit. So on mine, it says at the bottom, F10 to save and exit. So I'm just going to hit F10 on my keyboard. Exit Save Changes. I'm going to confirm that by selecting Yes. Then it's going to reboot me back to where I can use my Windows 11 computer, and Secure Boot should be enabled. So I'm going to show you how to confirm that it's enabled. All right, so once you get logged back into your computer, we can easily confirm if Secure Boot is enabled by going down, selecting the Windows Start button, type System Information, and select System Information under Best Match. And now under the System Summary, look for Secure Boot State, and it should say On. If it says On, you successfully enabled it. If it says Off still, go through those settings again, make sure you save before you exit, and then it should be enabled. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.